Oh, here we go. I don't know if you guys knew about this, but if you want to immediately blow up on TikTok, let me explain all you have to do. All you need to do is find a secret entrance.
Yes.
That's it. That's all you have to do. If somebody right now, listen to me. I mean, maybe this exists already. Listen to me right now. All you have to do is start a TikTok account where you go into unknown, abandoned,
Even just your
secret
house.
rooms. Even just your house. Just start. I heard something in the back corner. Like, what is the obsession with this?
I don't know, but my wife has sent me maybe like 10 of these,
What?
all different types.
It's like there's a room behind the mirror. Behind the room, there's another room in my house. The room was boarded up.
Follow for part 10.
Exactly. And so it somehow hacks the algorithm because they leave it on a huge cliffhanger. They never find anything, but they're like, in the next part, it's gonna be big in the next part. And so actually in this one, the latest one I have here, homeowner finds secret staircase in the house behind boarded up door.
Enticing.
Okay, it has all the elements you're looking for.
Yeah.
And so she films this video. She opens the door. It looks like there's a staircase behind it. But then there's no follow-up as promised. Instead, she says, I'm too scared to go in there.
Oh,
But I will once my boyfriend is home.
Once I've accumulated enough hype.
yeah.
No. Hey, no. She said, once my boyfriend's home because he's out of town, then I'm going in there. But what happened is, I mean, the clip got so many views in the meantime. It has 9.3 million views. Now I'm looking at her other TikToks. It's like 40,000. Most of them. Some of them lower. Some of them 20,000. Here's one that's only 9,800. And then all of a sudden she moves into an old house, opens an old door, finds an old staircase, 9.3 million.
Yes.
Wow.
This seems
Finally.
like an easy hack. Why is everybody not doing this? And then her follow-up is 2 million, and she calls it part 1.5, and she says, I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come back, so keep it locked. Keep it locked, because when he gets back, who knows what we're going to find
We're
out
going
there.
to open the door.
Yeah, we might open it part way. We'll open it further than we opened it before.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, there is some...
Well, it's definitely a hack.
It's a hack, right? Because
Yeah.
you what
It's
must
not going to last forever, though.
what must happen is you leave people on this strong cliffhanger, this strong mystery, and then they start their behavior changes around the thing where they're more likely, I guess, to click the follow button or like or whatever else, and then that boosts the thing in the algorithm, and all of a sudden you have an account that's typically getting 20,000 to 100,000 views, it gets 9 million. It's a huge amplifier effect. So other people are going to do it, but I'm saying right now, before it's too late, hidden room channel. I'm saying all you do is investigate the weird, what is it? Supernatural.
Sure, yeah.
You hear booms and bangs and you follow up on the next episode and
Yeah.
everything ends at a weird doorway. You're crushing. I'm telling you. He's
Of course, yeah.
100 milli right now. I can't be doing that, but maybe Mo will do it. I don't know. Gotta get a van first.
Sure.